Hello guys, I think this is wrong, so this is the REVLON. This is the thanks playing like putting like this is the 6-tone handling and hangs first straight playing and Integrating into correct hands. So this is going to activate and contain strength. And thanks. And actions, I just have like two extinct things and hearing. So hearing buttons was that initially put things through. It's like different. I don't like so I don't get what different was, but different was the sites that you can just go and buy scans for hand. But this things are not but it's fine. So everything. Just give a type. There's a so you can do extend exactly and so I think that sounds like in fact that line access thing X and got second thing and I can get into that. Well, I'm going to get into things. I can expect. Let's see what I find. Okay. So, even. Okay, so I've got the red line. So I got things. I could take that in a second. Go got the wiring. Extend to the. So this is like pull English experience. This is the brains. Yeah, I think it's done. Right, so okay, next expect tank. Start next plug. So I got like second background, but it's plug. Okay, I got the inside, I got tanks. So you can if you want part of this in, you're showing that this is like get that good tanks. I got a rank, so I don't like programmed by like can't change the rank several times. So don't get that current. So I got that settings. Okay, so thanks. Next thing I got translate thanks. So I got like so then I got the youngs so I got wrong. So I can hold the ranks. So that's wrong, I can't take sense. This is where it goes on. I think this is where I go wrong. think I don't know what that goes. So I'm not gonna go again. I can't try what it does. But I'm gonna take some out, see what it does, and I'm gonna use that bag as an experiment. Okay. You can try it too. So it says battery. Okay. Let's get put the wrong way. See if it does something wrong. It's never out. It's certainly to the frosting. Okay. Let's try box. Let's try box. That's very careful, as you can see. But this thing can stop too. So I think it's okay. If I pull a chain, let's try it. Doing this. Does anything, but that's concludes that action against thing. There you go. That's concluding that action against REVLON. Then essentially content handling. I hope you guys start considering. Then don't forget to go for rank. That's good, I think. Clean. Okay, guys, I can get. So, okay, guys, like. Go. I'll try this to do it again. I'll try to stay that side. So I think yes, that could be good. I think it's that. But I hope you guys like the video. And thanks to strongest scheduling rank. Can't get thanks. Let's see, we're going to get the grades right. Okay. And it's a type. Grades. And we're going to know that could put out next scheduling. So we're going to do all that and it turns out. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.